What's up everyone, this is our Tech playing Skyrim. For those that you don't know me, and for those subscribers that do know me, this is my Skyrim guide on the first puzzle room in Bleak full Barrows. Now basically there is a combination of 3 pillars which you must turn around to open a lever which would open the door. At the beginning you can see there is a fish right there, or whatever you want to call it, a snake on the bottom and a snake right there. Now I opened the room and it was like this, and I don't believe how that's right, so what we have to do is, those 3 obviously are the ones that we've got to use. So by using that, we should just be able to open it. So just pull everything back, like that. Get that to snake. Actually, that should have been snake already. Get this to the fish. Yep. And this is the tester for whether it works or not. So you do this, and then that, and then you'd be like, yeah, that looks pretty cool. That's what it looks like on the little pillars there. So you go over to the lever, press E, and correct, the door opens. For those that you want to see that just again, you see you've got 2 snakes right there, one on the top and one on the floor, and then a fish to the right. You treat the fish as if it was the last one, and the 2 snakes as the first one. So you're going bang at the top, bang on the bottom, bang on the last. I hope this has been an enjoyable video for you all. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Please follow the Skyrim walkthrough. Goodbye, this has been our Tech Playing.